G'day trendsetters, in today's riveting episode of What the Hell Am I Doing? This rose, Princess de Monaco rose, quite a pretty, very pretty rose. So this rose has been gifted to us by one of the residents. Sadly though, it came with all this Oxalis weed. And I really don't want it. And it's a bugger to get out. And it's even double a bugger to get out when it's in a pot. So, being the middle of winter, I'm just going to bare root it. I'll just knock it out of the pot, shake all the potting mix and weed and everything away from the root system, give everything a trim and repot it. That's basically it. Yes, let's do it. I'll bring the camera in a bit closer so you can just see what I'm doing here, and I'll talk over the top of it. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. That was easy. Now, I'll just show you. I had a friend years ago and his favourite word was pernicious. So, just show you why this is such a pernicious weed, hopefully. So what we've got here is this long, fleshy taproot. Obviously the plant's upside down. And then they haven't quite developed yet, but you get all these little bulblets around the top of the plant. So when you're weeding and you pull this out, these little bulblets or cormlets will drop off into the ground, and next year away we go again, which is why why I want to shake all of the potting mix away from the root system, because no matter how hard I try, this potting mix is going to have a couple of little corms in there. Look. Yeah, it's just loaded with them. Look at all this. I don't know if you can see all that. They're just everywhere. Yeah, so no matter how hard I try, there will be a corm or two left behind, and it's right down into the trunk. Broke a branch off. Never mind. These things happen. So it's essentially just a bare rooted rose now. Once I get all this potting mix off, I'll just trim across the bottom there. Big fat tuber there. All right, what I'm going to do, just get a bucket of water so I can just really wash that right off. All right. So, jet. Well, I don't think there's much more I'm going to get off of that. All right. So, all of that will not go in the compost. That's rubbish. Unless, if I do put it in the compost, unless I want to spread Oxalis weed all throughout my garden. I'm pretty sure there is no Oxalis corms or little bulblets left in there. I did give it a prune. It looks fairly severe, but it will come away quite well. And basically now it just becomes a fairly simple potting up job, which is getting decent amount, just check, decent amount of potting mix in the bottom. Premium, always use a premium potting mix. I use ssjdmb, which is the local brand. I mean, you're not going to get ssjdmb all over the place. Whatever is a premium potting mix in your area, then use that. And I'll just spread the roots out a little bit. I'll make a little mound in the middle and I'll spread the roots out over the top. There we go. I'm pretty happy with that. And just fill in around it. All right, easy, job done. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next video. Any comments, leave them below. Love to hear from you. I'll give that a good water, and we will have Princess de Monaco flowers in about 3 months' time.